Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day, everyone. My name is Prudence Maloka, the founder and director of Rave Sauce, which was established in 2019, which was formerly known as Rave About Us Events. Then that was the birth of Rave About Sauce when COVID happened and we did not have any business going on. That's when we used our culinary skills to come up with the sauce, which is named Rave About Sauce. Our products are chili sauces, the red chili hot sauce, and the chili relish. We also have flavors in chili pineapple habanero sauce, and we're also working on getting spices on our ranges. You must choose our products because these are handcrafted chili condiments. These are products that are supporting your immune system. They have benefits of anti-inflammatory. They contain a capsaicin, which is also helpful for your system to boost your system functionality. Also works as an anti-inflammatory function on your body. Our products are available at Blue Valley Butchery in Centurion, available online at Proudly SA e-commerce. We also can make your order on social medias. You can use our Facebook page Rave About Sauce. You can use our Instagram Rave About Us. You can also contact us to make your order on WhatsApp on 061-789-8098. I can repeat that, 061-789-8098. Hi, my name is Prudence Maloka and I'm a township entrepreneur.